everybody. It's another late night here at Black Label Speed Shop. The last couple nights have been pretty late nights. As you know, we only have a handful of days left before we leave for SEMA 2018. We were worried a few weeks ago, but we're in the final stages. Things are going really well now. When we last left you, the car was getting painted, and since then, the dash has been painted, the doors are painted, everything's good to go. The car is looking really, really well. We haven't got the car to start just yet. We've been working on a few other cool things. One of those things is an awesome custom spoiler made by a company called Northern Lucas here in Lubbock, Texas. They have a really awesome CNC laser. They cut us out this really, really nice custom spoiler. I know that we said it a few times that the engine is fully plumbed and assembled, but as of today, officially, the engine is fully assembled. It's ready to turn over. I think we're going to try to do that in the next day or two. One of our really good friends is going to come over and help us with a little tuning situation. He's also running the Holly EF5, so I think that he's going to be able to load up some just base fuel maps. Hopefully we can turn it over and not have any weird issues. And I'd like to take a moment to thank all of our powertrain sponsors. We have a lot of people on board for this build, but the powertrain sponsors include Dederichs Motorsports for hooking it up with the transmission, Nelson Racing Engines for those awesome mirror image turbos, Tial Sport for sending us the blow-off valves and the wastegates, and of course Vibrant Performance for giving us so much help. Seems like every single day we're forgetting a fitting and we need something overnighted. And lastly, 417 Motorsports. They built us that beautiful custom intake manifold plenum. Started off as an 80-pound chunk of aluminum, and they whittled it down to an 8-pound masterpiece that you see on the car. So appreciate all of you guys very much. We couldn't do it without y'all. And hopefully in the next video, you're going to see a running, driving truck.